TrapeziumX-V is an industry-leading software used to operate Shimadzu autograph universal test machines. Its unrivaled simplicity and flexibility makes it easy to operate for first-time users while containing features to meet the most demanding applications. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to create a test method and perform a test, as well as highlight several useful functions. To start the software, enter the username and password. From the startup screen, you have the option to perform a test, review test data, create new methods, edit existing methods, or change various software settings. If you would like to create a new method, select Create New Method. Trapezium features an intuitive test creation wizard. Here's an overview of how to create a test method. The wizard walks you through each step of method creation with a series of tabs and drop-down menus. Starting with System Settings, select a test mode and test type. Single tests allow testing in a single direction with up to 4 steps. Cycle tests allow you to cycle between 2 test points for up to 1,000 cycles. Control tests allow you to program complex combinations of up and down movements, holds, or loops within a single test. Texture is a specialized software for texture analysis of foods. The test type allows you to select whether you are performing a tension, compression, bend, or peel test. It also determines the data processing options available to perform your test calculations. In addition, the units of measure can be selected, and jig information can be entered to be included in the record of the test results. The Sensor tab allows you to select your data channels and add optional inputs such as extensometers. You can also set software safety limits to your force and stroke. In the Testing tab, we define the testing control settings. A test consists of a speed and endpoints. In this example, a test would run at 10 mm per minute until it reaches 15 mm, then change the speed to 100 mm per minute until it reaches 30 mm, then stop. You can also enable brake detects to have the test stop automatically with a sudden drop in force. In the Test Specimen tab, you can specify the number of tests to be performed as well as the specimen's material, shape, and dimensions using the simple illustrations shown here. These dimensions are used to calculate stress and strain values. Use the Represent and Auto Number button to quickly name specimens. The Data Processing tab illustrates a typical stress-strain curve for the material type selected. You can point and click to add material characteristics that you would like to calculate and report. Each item has a sub-window to change calculation settings. Statistical calculations can be added to the batch results. The data processing options will relate to the test type selected in the System tab. Press the Help button to be directed to a section of the manual that explains each data processing parameter. Display up to 4 charts and define their axes and scale. If you set the scale smaller than expected, then select Auto Scale, the chart will expand automatically during testing. Charts can also be resized in the test window by right-clicking and selecting Properties. Use the Report tab to design a report. You can freely position the charts and results to change the layout. You can also add your company logo, graphics, and text however you like. The software includes several pre-configured report formats. Finish by saving your method and naming it. Once a method is created, it can be used to run a test or can be used as a template to create modified methods in the future. To perform a test, press Select Method and Test. In this case, the parameters have been set from a previous test, so there's no need to create a new method. This allows you to perform the test right away. Once the sample has been loaded, press the Start button at the top of the test window or on your instrument's touch panel to begin the test. After the test starts, progress is displayed on the screen. The graph window shows the testing data, and the sensor bar displays the values in real time. Once data is collected, replicates can be overlaid. Data processing parameters and pass-fail criteria can be modified from the test window as well. Report formats can be formatted in advance, allowing report creation with a single mouse click, or automated using network export settings. The test window allows you to freely move and resize the windows. TrapeziumX-V includes a number of useful functions. You can add previously created methods to a quick method list. These methods are displayed in the main screen. To launch test methods with a single click. File search for test results. When opening an old test file, you can search through files by filtering by date or keyword. You can also export results straight from the file browser. Using the Reanalyze button, data processing parameters and report formats can be adjusted after a test is completed. This means you don't have to retest a sample if a data processing parameter needs to be changed or added. Statistical process control analysis is included standard in TrapeziumX-V, so that you can statistically graph and analyze data collected over weeks or months. From the test window, it's possible to export PDF, Word, HTML, and Excel formatted reports and raw data. The test results can also be copied and pasted straight from the data processing table. TrapeziumX-V has a built-in user access control feature. However, for users with the most stringent data integrity needs, Shimadzu now offers Lab Solutions AG to operate test frames on Shimadzu's world-class data management software platform, enabling database management, electronic records and electronic signatures, and audit trails. TrapeziumX-V is compatible with 16 different languages. This feature allows the software to be used as a global standard. Experience new levels of usability and functionality with TrapeziumX-V. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.